Today, we're diving into the ITTECC 185W power supply, a replacement unit designed specifically for iMac 21.5-inch A14-18 models from late 2012 to mid-2014. If you're in need of a power boost for your trusty iMac, this could be the solution you've been searching for. First off, let's talk compatibility. This power supply is tailor-made for iMac 13, late 2012, MD093LLA, MD094LLA, early 2013, ME699LLA, iMac 14, late 2013, ME086LLA, ME087LLA, and iMac 14, for mid-2014, MF883LLA models. With support for these specific configurations, you can rest assured that it'll fit snugly into your setup. Now, onto the technical specs. Packing a punch with an output wattage of 185 watts, this power supply is built to handle the demands of your iMac, whether you're deep into graphic design projects or binge-watching your favorite series. Plus, at just 25 ounces, it's lightweight and won't weigh down your workspace. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its compatibility and straightforward design. No need to stress about complex setups or confusing instructions. Simply swap out your old power supply with this one, and you're good to go. One standout feature is its reliability. Crafted by ITTECC, a trusted brand in the tech industry, you can count on this power supply to deliver consistent performance and keep your iMac running smoothly for years to come. In conclusion, if you're in need of a power supply replacement for your iMac 21.5-inch A14-18, the ITTECC 185W power supply is definitely worth considering. With its compatibility, power output, and reliability, it's a top contender for the best replacement option on the market. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.